Web3 didn't just create new tokens, it created a new way to work. These companies are remote-first by design. They hire globally and judge you on what you ship, not where you sit, so you can break in, even with zero crypto experience. Here's why it's remote to the core. A protocol is just code deployed to a public blockchain. There's no headquarters to commute to. Work is asynchronous. Teams span every time zone, and your reputation gets built in the open. And the timing works in your favor. Crypto crossed $4 trillion in 2025, with tens of millions of users. Electric Capital tracks tens of thousands of developers building every single month. It's a real industry now, but still early enough to walk in. There are two doors in, the non-technical track and the developer track. And let's kill the biggest myth right now. You do not need to code to get hired in Web3. Coding opens more doors, but for many roles, it simply isn't required. On the non-technical side, community managers, content writers, social and growth marketers, business development, partnerships, support, recruiting, and DAO operations. Real jobs, real salaries, and not a line of solidity in sight. If you do write code, the ceiling is higher. Front-end developers, smart contract engineers in Solidity or Rust, data analysts, auditors, and developer relations engineers. Some of the best-paid remote jobs in all of tech live right here. So where are these jobs posted? Start with Crypto Jobs List and Web3.career. But the real market lives in Discord servers and on X and Farcaster, where roles get shared long before they're ever formally listed. Now, the single most important shift. Stop describing yourself as someone who wants to work in crypto. Start being someone who already participates in it. That one change separates the people who get hired from the people who keep applying. Here's how, with nobody's permission. Set up a self-custody wallet and actually use it. Swap a token, bridge to another chain, mint something. Real on-chain activity is your very first line of experience. Then join 2 or 3 communities and make yourself useful. Answer questions, fix the docs, translate, help moderate. Visibility and helpfulness is itself a job search strategy. People hire the names they already recognize. Next, ship one public thing. A research write-up, a dashboard, a bug report, a small app. Demonstrable work counts for far more than a polished resume. One real artifact beats 100 buzzwords. Then claim your identity. Register an ENS name, keep a public profile of your work, and push your contributions to GitHub. In Web3, your track record is on-chain and searchable. Make it easy to find. And don't try to learn everything. Pick one sector and go deep. DeFi, NFTs, infrastructure, or a single chain. Specialists get noticed. Generalists get scrolled past. A word on getting paid. Many of these jobs pay in crypto. The moment it lands, write down its value in your local currency. In the US, the IRS treats digital assets as property and crypto pay as ordinary income. And keep those records from day one. Reconstructing a whole year of transactions later is genuinely painful. A simple log, date, amount, value received, saves you a nightmare come tax season. There's a quiet advantage here too. Remote plus asynchronous means this work fits real life. Parents, caregivers, anyone in an awkward time zone. You contribute when you can, judged on output, not hours spent online. So here's a realistic 90-day plan. Weeks 1 to 3, learn the fundamentals, set up your wallet, and pick one sector to focus on. Foundations first, no shortcuts. Weeks 4 to 7, join your communities, finish a bounty, or write some research, and post what you learn in public. This is where your proof of work starts to stack up. Weeks 8 to 10, shortlist 15 to 20 roles, and tailor every application around the public work you've already done. You're not asking for a chance, you're showing one. Weeks 11 to 13, Apply consistently, ask for feedback, and keep contributing while you wait. Treat these first months as proof of work in the most literal sense. It's still early, and motivated newcomers move fast. For the full guide, head to itokenly.com.